So the car is typically always on. In order to start the vehicle, all you have to do is press on the brakes, and then that will turn on the car. Um, also, the car is a little different in the sense that there's two stocks here. This one is actually the cruise control stock, and then this one is your left and right turn signal, right? Um, and also your windshield wipers is here. And then on the other side, this is like the Mercedes-Benz. Your control is here. Your park, you press in. Your drive, you press down all the way. Your reverse all the way up. And then for neutral, it's just half press down or half press up, depending on where your settings are. And then the only thing that is really important here is this is the screen. Everything that happens is actually here on the top. The important one is this is to open and unlock the doors. And then this is to show your charging information, the lightning bolt. So if you press it, it'll show you the charging information like now. Okay. And then on the bottom, this is the most important one because all the settings are here. You press it, and then we'll just go through the controls really quick. So the quick controls gives you the overlay of the car. Everything is here. So you open the trunk, your charge port, the vent is here, as well as you can lock and unlock the door and open the front trunk also. Exterior lights, and then here suspension is to raise it in case you have to go on, if there's a speed bump or something like that. Lights, external, internal lights controls are here. You're driving. The only thing that is important here is probably the creep mode. If you let go of the brakes, this will move forward for you. It's set as no, so it just, when you let go of the brake, it doesn't go anywhere. And then also, if you don't like the jerkiness, like when you let go of the brakes, it brakes for you. You can lower it to make it seem more like a regular vehicle. And here, just regular settings for the vehicle. Nothing too much. It's like self-explanatory stuff here. Navigation is where you want to, avoid tolls if you wanted to here, or change your planning information here. Safety, nothing too important here, but servicing, if you need to change the wipers here, or if you need it towed, you will have to turn this on if that's a worst case scenario there. And that's pretty much it for the vehicle here. Nothing too important. The only thing is here is where you do the Bluetooth settings. You just pick the phone, and then that will take you to change the Bluetooth settings. And then also from here, you can pick the music. The next setting here, this arrow gives you the camera as well as the charging information, and then also the entertainment. So the camera, if you pick it, shows the rear view camera. And then if you pick the charging, this is the charging information again. And then the entertainment is here. This is where all your games are and the fun stuff, as well as the toy box, which has all your fun stuff that you could do in the vehicle. Other than that, it's self-explanatory. You have heated seats here. This is your temperature control here. This is your defogger here, and then the volume control. The hazards is located here, and then the glove compartment is located here. And that's pretty much it on the inside. Alright, on the outside, the doors pop out, but it does self-present once you come up to the car. If not, you just double tap the vehicle keys. And then this is the level 2 charging. There's an adapter there. Make sure you take the adapter with you if you're going to use the level 2 charging. And then there's also a charge pack in the back that I put that's located here. So if you wanted to charge at home, you can charge at home as well. So this is the charger for your house. And then that's pretty much it. To close the trunk, there's a button. And that's pretty much it. Just give me a call if you got any questions. Thanks.